and world agenda. U.S. President Barack Obama has cancelled a meeting he was supposed to have with Russian President Vladimir Putin on the sidelines of the G20 summit in Russia.
Pentru mine e o mare bucurie să fiu vorbit Nora Yuga despre această carte. For me, it is a great joy to be able to speak about Nora Yuga and about the book. Nora Yuga is a model to me in many respects, and what makes me happy is her extraordinary vitality, all the more so since it was counter to the statistics.
Killed 13 American soldiers and wounded 30 others in 2009 at Fort Hood in Texas. Major Nidal Hassan, who faces the death penalty after being found guilty of 13 counts of premeditated murder and 32 counts of attempted murder. He admitted that he was responsible for pulling the trigger on fellow soldiers as they prepared to deploy to Afghanistan and Iraq. He said he opened fire to protect Muslims from American aggression. Howard Ray is a witness to Hassan's shooting. It's a huge emotional scar. We have men and women that have obviously died, both civilians and soldiers. We also have families that are suffering from their loss.
Involved in a crime.
Oh, delightful. Oh, what do we have here? Chicken and mashed potatoes. Well, I'm practically a celebrity. What's your name, mister?
Shut up.
I think I'll call you Nose, because you have a big nose. Okay, Nose?
Shut up.
Oh, shut up. Well, I'm not getting my brains fried.
Focus, and I'd like to think his focus is getting his ankle right, because it's all playing games like to become. Obviously, he's going to be playing finals footy, and he's the type of player that could do anything in a game, and we've seen what he did last year and can certainly change a game. So Ben's still got a lot to play for at the club, and I know the playing group are looking forward to having him back out there, because he's still an important part to what the club wants to do.